Today, we will discuss why the law of attraction doesn't work for everyone and how to use affirmation effectively. Let's get started. Unclear goals. If your goals are unclear, you can't focus properly. Clear goals are essential. I am confident in my ability to reach my goals. Negative thinking. Negative thoughts can overpower positive intentions. Stay positive. I attract positivity and joy into my life. Lack of action. Just thinking is not enough. You need to take action to achieve your desires. I take proactive steps towards my goal every day. Lack of patience. Patience is key. The law of attraction can take time. I trust the timing of my life. Unrealistic expectations. Expecting instant results is unrealistic. Progress takes time and effort. I balance my dreams with practical steps. I choose to see the good in every situation. I choose to see the good in every situation. I am surrounded by positive and supportive people. I am focused and determined to achieve my dreams. I embrace the journey and the lesson it brings. I celebrate my progress no matter how small. I attract opportunities that align with my goals and values. I am grateful for all the abundance in my life.